out mapping today. Got some mesas we're doing east of St. George. Little Creek Mesa is going to be our first one we're mapping. This trail is a bunch of cliffs. There's going to be a viewpoint that I really want to see, been wanting to see for a while. It's called the Edge of the World. As you're driving in on this Little Creek Mesa, it's a pretty boring landscape. And then you stop and you look behind you. I'll zoom in for you. One of the first stops on Little Creek Mesa. Really nice looking campsite. I mean, no crazy views, but great fire pit. Oh, here, we'll take those for you. Oh, why they just do that? Don't leave your stuff in fire pits for people like me to come behind and pick it up. What I had read about this place is, this area, is you got to get off the trail and climb around on some of these rocks, these different formations, and you can find stuff. It's not marked, but there are petroglyphs and stuff. Check out. But back in all these rocks, see what kind of view we got up here. Oh, look at all those boulders. Way up over there is Zion National Park. Yep, straight north. So quiet out here. I'll find a place that's this quiet. Look how this broke off, this big crack. Here's a cool spot. It's camping right here, surrounded by boulders. It's like even a little fireplace right there. I pull right in, throw a hammock right between those two trees. Oh man, living. Yeah, little fireplace. And RC scaling for a lifetime. There we go. A nice arch. Here we go. First arch of the day. That's cool. Wow. Look at this area. Here's your fire pit. This has been getting used for a very long time. Gotta take a step back to take it all in, huh? And this is just one of hundreds of spots out here like this. That's not a bad camping spot. Yeah, this site's crazy. Check out trees like surviving right out on that edge that, sorry, I'm not walking out on. I don't care. You can watch another channel for people that walk out on those edges, but I don't do that. So we hang out on the east rim, way down there. And that seems like crazy high. We're riding in a Jeep and taking pictures along that east rim. Now we're way above on the second rim. This thing, imagine how hard you gotta be to go that long, twist up in that little crack. Wonder how old this thing is. A few 100 years old? I don't know. I'm betting. It's crazy. Choosing a different path, kind of a side trail that runs parallel with the main trail, because it has a few of these vistas, these overlooks. I'm gonna stay over here on the dirt. Woo! Look at that. Yeah. Just because it looks this good, we're gonna stop at this. Look at that. Yep, we're further up along. See traffic now down there on the highway. Now we're heading towards the big cell and radio towers, and then we head back this way and out. That's it for today. That's all we can do. Airing up. What a beautiful trail. Can't believe how many scenic vistas, and man, that was crazy. Absolutely gorgeous trail. It's like almost 4.5 hours, something like that on the trail. Thanks for watching.